It is Thursday, April the 7th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 11:42 a.m. I'm riding the Linsky R300 bike today. Weather today, well, before the bike ride I aired up the tires on the Linsky and also the Cervella to about 81, 82 psi. Today's weather, it's 68 degrees. Humidity is like 29%. I don't know what it would be like in July if it was 29%. Wind is fair. No clouds. Wind is out of the north at 18 miles an hour. Gusts to 28. So this is going to be a windy bike ride. Today's route, I'm going to go south through Atascocita, Walden, east over Lake Houston. Maybe I can go through the new construction concrete there at Atascocita Shores and FM 1960. Fair Lake Lane south. See how they're doing repairing the asphalt on Fair Lake Lane. Then north on FM 2100 to Huffman. I may go east on Old Atascocita Road, east of FM 2100 a little bit. Not all the way to Ramsey Road though. Riding south on Hidden Pines Drive in North Woodland Hills Village in Kingwood. Today's route, I'm going to go south through Atascocita, loop through Walden, east over Lake Houston. Maybe ride on the new concrete at Atascocita Shores and FM 1960. If I can. And then south on Fair Lake Lane, I'll see how the asphalt repairs are going. Then Old Atascocita Road east. I'll probably go east of FM 2100 a little bit, but not all the way to Ramsey Road. Then north on FM 2100 to Huffman. West on FM 1960. Then back to Kingwood. Wind will be mostly favorable getting to FM 2100. Getting back to Kingwood is going to be windy. Making a loop through Kingwood Greens. Riding southwest. So far the heart rate monitors stayed connected to the Bolt computer. It's one of several golf courses. Holes. Riding over the San Jacinto River, Lake Houston on West Lake Houston Parkway, headed south. This is Atascocita Shores at FM 1960, pointing to the east. Looks like they got all the concrete down. They just got a guy down there sawing expansion joints. So I can go across there, I believe, without having to ride out there on the barriers. Time is 12:56 and I'm at 15.7 miles. Paving equipment at rest. Resting up. It's nice through there on the new concrete. South side of the causeway, Lake Houston. Gust of wind trying to push me over the edge. Approaching Fair Lake Lane. Looks like there's a cyclist waiting to go across FM 1960. Looks like they've repaired the asphalt, at least in this section. We'll see how it goes around the S-curve. Riding east over Lake Houston was a real bear. The wind gusts would push my wheels, particularly the front wheel, to the right. So I'd compensate and then the gust would stop and I'm overcompensated then. Nobody at the church as far as cyclists goes. Well, the dump trucks are still using the road, but so far they haven't torn it up. Well, that's dredging dirt from Lake Houston. I'm on the old Atascocita Road east of FM 2100. Some livestock there. Some cattle. I'm grazing. I'm not going, like I said, I'm not going all the way to Ramsey Road. Probably the next driveway or so. See how strong the wind is and where it's coming from. I'm riding east, so that looks like that wind's coming from the west to northwest. Riding north on FM 2100. On my way to FM 1960, into the headwind. Got some track repair equipment. FM 1960 at FM 2100.